Just wanted to check in with you about my green Halloween nails. They wore beautifully. As you can see, there's just a little bit of wear at the tips on the green hand. So this stuff, I was a little skeptical about how well it would wear because it went on so thin. But with the top coat, it went well. Then the black did okay on one hand and not the best on the other hand. So I don't know if I did a top coat on all of these. I can't remember. So that's that, and I'm gonna get started on Halloween nails for Halloween. Thank you. Hi, I'm back. I just painted my nails and it took me a couple hours. So, okay, maybe not a couple hours, but definitely an hour and some change because I used a lot of layers. So here we are. We got the left hand. We have, I'll go through each item by layer. First, we started with the OPI Infinite Shine 1. And then we used Essie's Risk Takers Only, my favorite orange. And then we used Essie's Set in Stones. This is a really beautiful glitter. It's got little and big, as you can see. Oh, sorry. I didn't want to unveil that quite yet, because that's all new. And then I topped it off with the Essie top coat. And then, oh, actually set this right here. And then I got some new nail polish from Sephora. This one is called Deborah Lippmann. So these are by Deborah Lippmann, and I don't know a whole lot about her, but these are gel. And this is a Hard Rock base and top coat. So I did this first. As you see, I did that first. And then I did the purple, 2 layers of the purple. And this is very sparkly. It has rainbow glitter inside of it. And this one is called Rule Breaker. And I don't know if they're still on sale, but these were on sale on Sephora. So if it's still on sale, go hit it up. These are regularly pretty spendy, but they're beautiful and worth the money. So that's Rule Breaker, 2 layers. As you can see, focus, focus, focus. There is rainbow glitter inside there. And then I went with this top coat again because it is gel. I wanted to surround it by the top coat and the bottom coat so that it sets properly. And then I went in with our Essie Set in Stones to give it more glitter. And I topped it off with our top coat from Essie. So, as you see, I was busy for the past hour and a half about, and I did have to redo one nail, and I managed not to destroy my others while I was doing it. So here we are, Witchy Halloween nails, and I'm pretty excited about them. Thank you for tuning in. Take care. Have a happy, safe Halloween. Bye-bye.